today's video, I'm going to share to you the step-by-step on how to remove the paint of my Ninebot Max frame. So if you are new in this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button for you to be updated for my upcoming videos. To share with you guys, so the main reason why I want to build the stand-up type electric scooter, which is the Ninebot Max. So the main reason is the authorities, they are not allowing to use now the seated type electric scooter. So that's why I'm using before my Fito as a service in my work. So now I will change into a Ninebot Max standing position type of electric scooter. Let's proceed to remove the paint of my Ninebot Max. So the tools needed are, so I will use my paint remover, this brand Bossil paint remover. Then I will use the small brush and the paint remover scraper. So these three only I will use to remove the paint. So I will remove only this side and here up to this side. Okay. By the way guys, so the applications: removal of coatings from metal, wood, plaster and glass, removal of enamel paints, varnishes and lumens, can also soften the acrylic paints and glues. So this is the Bossil paint remover. So I purchased this in Amazon around 40 dirhams, 500 ml only. Now the paint is starting to remove. Okay, so here just wait for 10 to 15 minutes and then after that we will use the scraper to remove all the paints. Okay.